The noblest profession. Imagine a world without teachers. No one to teach children how to read, no one to explain numbers and ideas, no one to guide young minds, no one to say you can do it. Imagine hospital without doctors because no one taught them biology. Imagine buildings without engineers because no one taught them mathematics. Imagine our nation without leaders because no one taught them history, values, and responsibility. Before there was a doctor, there was a teacher. Before there was an engineer, there was a teacher. Before there was a president, there was a teacher. Good day, everyone. I am Cadet Captain Kenjui is the KISS Second Class Advanced ROTC Officer and a proud student teacher from Roman C. Villalon Memorial Colleges Foundation Incorporated, Kibawe, Bukidnon. Today, I stand before you not only as a future educator but as someone who truly believes that teaching is the noblest profession, and because it is noble, it is deserved the best preparation and the best candidate. When we say something is noble, we mean it is a honorable, meaningful, and selfless. A noble profession serve others and contribute greatly to society. Many professions are important. Doctors save lives, engineer design our infrastructure, farmers provide food, soldiers protect our country. All of them are worthy of respect. But let us think deeper. Who taught the doctors how to read and analyze medical books? Who trained the engineers to solve complex equations? Who helped learners understand ethics and responsibility? The answer is teacher. Teaching is the foundation of all profession. Without teacher, there will there would be no other profession. Every successful person was once a student sitting inside a classroom, guided by a teacher. That alone makes teaching noble, but teaching is noble for another reason. It shapes not only careers but character. A teacher does not simply teach subjects like mathematics, English, or science. A teacher builds confidence in a shy child. A teachers inspire hope in a discouraged student. A teacher models discipline, respect, and integrity. Inside every classroom sit a future professional, but inside every student also sit a growing human being. Someone for living, someone forming values, attitude, dreams. Teachers influence both. Sometimes students forget formulas and definition, but they never forget how a teacher made them feel. They remember the teacher who believed in them. They remember the teachers who encouraged them. They remember the teachers who cared. Teaching is not simply transferring knowledge, it is transforming lives. Teaching is also profession of sacrifice. Teachers prepare lesson even when tired. They take papers late at night. They attend seminars and training sessions to improve themselves. They think about their student even outside the classroom. They celebrate when their student succeeds. They worry when their student struggle. Thinking of dedication shows that teaching is not just a job for salary, it is a calling, it is a mission. Because teaching shape the future, it is carries great responsibility. Teachers handle young and developing minds. Children and teenagers are able impressionable. They observe how teachers speak, act, and react. A teacher's behavior becomes an example. No one careless word can damage a student confidence. One's wrong explanation can create misunderstanding. One negative example can influence behavior. That is why teaching deserves the best preparation. A teacher must be academically prepared. Strong content knowledge is essential. A teacher must understand deeply what he or she teaches. It is impossible to teach effectively without mastery of subject. However, the knowledge alone is not enough. Teachers must also undergo professional preparation. They must study how students learn. They must understand development and psychology. They must learn effective teaching strategies, assessment methods, and classroom management techniques. Sorry. Every student is different. Some learn quickly, some needs repetition, some learn visually, some learn through discussion or hands-on activities. Well-prepared teachers know how to adjust strategies to meet this difference. Classroom management is also crucial. Without structure and discipline, learning becomes difficult. A teacher must know how to create a safe, respectful, and motivating environment. Teacher must also adapt to modern change. Technology is now part of education. A prepared teachers continues learning and improving. But preparation is not only about skills and knowledge, it also about character. Teachers must prepare their hearts. They must develop patience. They must practice fairness. They must show empathy. They must act with integrity. Because teaching is not just about information, is about influence. If teachers' preparation is weak, education becomes weak, and if education becomes weak, the future of society becomes uncertain. That is why teaching deserves the best preparation possible. Aside from preparation, teaching also deserves best candidate. Not everyone is meant to become teacher. Teaching requires patience beyond measure. It requires emotional stability. It requires dedication even during difficult days. It requires passion even when appreciation is limited. A teachers face different person personalities every day. Some students are are motivated, some struggle academically, some face problem at home, a teachers must be strong enough to guide all of them. If someone chooses choose teaching only because there is no other opportunity, student may not receive the care and inspiration they deserve. Teaching should not be a last option. It should be a choosing mission. The best candidate for teaching are those who truly love learning and love learners. Those who are willing to grow continuously, those who are open to feedback, those who are committed to excellence, those who have strong moral values, those who believe in and the power of education to change lives. Teachers influence not only academic success but also character formation. When students see a teacher who works hard, they learn hard work. When students see a teacher who respect others, they learn respect. When students see a teacher who values honesty, they learn integrity. Quality teachers produce quality learners. Quality learners become responsible citizens. Responsible citizens build a strong nation. Education is the foundation of national development. Countries that prioritize teachers' preparations and select passionate candidates often achieve progress and stability. If we want innovation, we must strengthen education. If we want unity, we must teach values. If we want progress, we must invest in teachers. As a student, as a student teachers from Roman Civil Lawn Memorial College's Foundation Incorporated, I understand that choosing this profession means accepting responsibility. It means accepting challenge. It means commitment to lifelong learning. It meant preparing myself academically, professionally, and morally. Teaching is not simply about standing in front of a classroom and speaking. It, it is about shaping futures with care and integrity. I know that one day when I stand before my student, I will know not just be teaching lesson, I will be shaping dreams. I will be influencing decision. I will be building confidence. That's responsibility deserve my very best. Teaching is not just my career choice, it is my calling. In inclusion, teaching is a noblest profession because it shapes every profession. It builds knowledge, forms characters, and influences generation. Because this great responsibility, teaching deserve the best preparation, strong academic training, professional education, emotional maturity, and moral integrity. And teaching deserve the best candidates, passionate, dedicated, patient, and compassionate individuals. When we invest in teachers, we invest in the futures. When we honor teachers, we honor the foundation of society. When we strengthen teacher preparation, we strengthen the nation. Let us continue to value, respect, and support this noble profession because before anyone becomes great, there was once a teachers who believed in them. Thank you very much. And me, We always remember when teachers are strong, the future is strong. God bless us all. Thank you.